100 crores or one Arab? Now for the international system or the American system. Abdul Majid, you were there for the class yesterday, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So beta, I'm doing quick revision for all those who are new, and then we will begin and proceed further, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So in international system or an American system, we can say American system also. We have 1,000, 1,000, 10,000.
100,000.
And what will we have? Abdul Majid, tell me, in international or American system, after 1,000 and 10,000, what are we going to have? What are we going to have?
1,000.
What?
100,000.
100,000, yes. Yes. 100,000, very good. And after 100,000, what are we going to have?
10 million.
10
1
million?
million. 10 million.
10 million?
1 million.
1 million. We are going to have 1 million.
Yes, ma'am.
And after 1 million, we are going to
10
have
million. 10 million.
10 million. Very good. And then after this?
100 million.
100 million. Good. Should I write this 100 million? Okay. And after 100 million?
1 billion.
1 billion. 1 billion. So 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, and 1 billion. Everyone, please learn this this is Indian system and this is international system. Please be very clear in your heads that in Indian system, after 1,000, what comes is lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, 100 crores, or 1 Arabs. In international system, we have 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, then 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, and 1 billion. So, when we are getting, agar if we have one number, supposingly we have this number. See, we have this number. Now if I ask you कि इसका आप place value system या आप इसका number name लिखो on the basis of Indian system, how will you do that? On the basis of Indian system. अभी we have both of the systems written here, so it is very easy for you. Now, okay Arohi, unmute yourself and beta Indian system के according, how will you name it? Tell me.
73,53,168.
73,53,168. Very good. Now, Aro, you only tell me, according to the international system, how are we going to name it?
Ma'am, 73 million 73,53,168.
Very good. 73,53,168. Okay. Now, Abdul Majid, beta, you unmute yourself and you tell me, how are we going to name this according to the international system of counting or American system of counting?
270.
Yes? Yes, Abdul Majid, beta, name this, na? Very easy. Beta, you are not audible. Beta, you are not audible at all. Anisha, you unmute yourself and tell me.
Yes, 8,000.
273,053,168.
Very good, very good. Okay, now if I add one more number here. Chalo, I add 8. 8273. Okay, now Abdul Majid, beta, please check your mic and answer.
8,273,053,168.
Very good, very good, excellent. Nabiha, now you unmute yourself और मुझे इंडियन सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग इसका नंबर नेम बताओ.
8,273,53,168.
नो, चलो इंडियन सिस्टम में इसके कॉमास चेंज होंगे. ठीक है, अब मैंने कॉमा लगाया ही नहीं है. नाउ नबीहा, इंडियन सिस्टम में नाउ what you read or what you told me was wrong. Try one more time. Try one more time. चलो मैं कॉमा सही कर देती हूँ.
Ma'am, I wouldn't say that.
हाँ बोलिए. Tell me again, beta. I could not hear you. Nabila, tell me. हाँ.
Then can I tell?
73,53,168.
Okay, very good, very good. So, you noticed one thing, that the placement of commas in international system, whereas in Indian system is different. The placement of commas are different. So, did you all notice it? तो अब हम placement of commas भी आपको सिखाएंगे according to these systems. So, how do we place commas in Indian system? Let's see. We group this as 1. We group this as 1. We group crows as 1. ठीक है, तो when thousands वाला पीरियड एंड होगा, hundreds वाले तक तो सब जानते हैं ना, ones, tens and hundreds. जब ये वाला पीरियड एंड होता है कोई भी नंबर में, आफ्टर दैट वी पुट अ कॉमा, लाइक 2, 8, 1 है, यहाँ पर वी पुट अ कॉमा, 1s, 10s, 100 खत्म हुआ, वी पुट अ कॉमा. नाउ 1 and 1 if I write. यहाँ पे 1000 and 10,000 खत्म हुआ, we put a comma. Now we have 2 and 3 supposingly. So now lakhs and 10 lakhs खत्म हुआ, we put a comma. ठीक है. Then again we have 2 or 4. So crores and 10 crores खत्म हुआ, we put a comma. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone कि comma की placement कैसे होती है?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay, according to the international system now, we club this, we club this. We club millions and we then billions also. So we have ones, tens, 100, then comma. Then we have, what we have? Tell me. Now who will tell me what we will have? Ones, tens, 100 के बाद क्या आएगा?
1,000.
1s, 10s, 100,000.
1,000, 1,000 and then
10,000.
चलो
10,000.
10,000 and then after that lakhs. हमारे पास lakhs होगा.
Leg.
What we will have in according to the
Lakh.
international system?
100,000.
100,000, yes. And after that we put a comma and then millions वाला portion लिखा जाएगा, supposingly 9 to 8. ये millions हुआ, million, 10 million, 100 million and then comma and then billion वाला part. Okay, so we have ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million, 10 million, 100 million, comma, and then billion. So you understood the placement of commas according to the Indian and the international system. समझ आ गया?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will move on to the exercises and we will do some questions based on these. Are the numbers clear to all of you? Check and
Yes,
tell me.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So now you have three numbers. You have to name and read these numbers according to the Indian and American system both. ठीक है? I will take names one by one and you have to tell me the number names of these numbers according to the Indian and American systems one by one. Okay, I'm giving you 5 minutes to write down the answers and then I will. Okay, so have you all written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you don't have to give the answer and write the answer here in the message inbox section. I will ask you and then unmute yourself and say, okay, Nabiha? Mayank Yadav, please, beta, if you are in the class, you have to open your camera, switch on your camera. Yes, and respond to what I'm asking, okay? Okay, now you only tell me Indian system में first वाला. Tell me.
40,50,678.
Very good. 40 lakhs, 50,678. Very good. Now in the international system, you only tell me Mayank, international system में.
4,50,678.
4,50,678. So the placement of comma समझ आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now Abdul Majid, unmute yourself, beta. According to the
34
Indian system,
34 crore 50 lakh 50 lakh 543.
very good. So this is 34 crores 50 lakhs 543. 34 crores 50 lakhs 543. Okay, now according to the international or the American system,
345 million 543.
345,543. Very good. Very good, Abdul Majid. You can mute yourself. Now, Arohi, beta, you unmute yourself and tell me this according to the Indian system first.
Miss, instance 100,000, 10,000, like 10 lakh, 4, Miss 102 crore,
102 crores,
3 lakh,
3 lakhs,
4,050.
4,050. Very good. अच्छा, there is one more way Indian system में इसको एक और तरीके से बोल सकते हैं. Who will tell me? Who knows?
Ma'am, can I?
Tell your name first and then answer.
Ma'am, Anisha.
Yes, Anisha. Indian system में जो दूसरी तरीके से इसको बोल सकते हैं, tell me the another way.
Okay, ma'am. 1 arab, 2 lakh, 3.
2 lakh, 1 Arab, 2 lakh.
1 arab, 2 crore, 3 lakh, 4,050.
Very good, very good. So, Arohi, how you said it was also perfectly fine, and Anisha, you also said it absolutely correct. So, both the ways are correct, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, according to the international system, Nabiha, unmute yourself and answer, beta.
Yes. $1 billion 20 million 300
Beta, speak. You are correct. Speak. Even if you are wrong, no, it does not matter.
304,050.
Very good. You are right. No, you are not right. 304,000. Sahi ho. Sorry. I heard it wrong. So this is 1,020,304,050. 1,020,304,050. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
to each one of you कि एक और question मैं करवाऊं? Everyone have answered, right? Is there anyone who haven't answered? No, everyone have answered. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now,
I didn't understand the third one.
beta, we have done the third one also.
Ma'am, I didn't understood it.
Also, you didn't understood. Okay. So Indian system. Okay, beta. Good that you asked. I'm
Ma'am,
placing.
system. American system, I didn't understood.
Okay. Firstly, let me teach you Indian system and then American. मैं दोनों ही समझा देती हूँ. So placing the commas according to the Indian system first. So see, ones, tens, I'm writing ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, crores, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. So in Indian system, how can we say 34 crores, 50 lakh, 543. Now, see, we skip the zeros. We don't say 0,543. We don't say it like that. When we skip from lakhs to 100, तो हमें ये समझ आ जाता है कि वो बीच में thousands तो हैं. So we don't say zeros. Now, moving on to Indian system. सबको clear है? Indian system is clear to all of you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So moving on to the international system. This is 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Firstly, placing the commas. After 100,000s, what come? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, after 100,000, 1 million.
Ma'am, 1 million.
1 million. Okay, very good. Then
10 million.
10 million and then 100
100 million.
100 million. तो बेटा मयंक लिसन, इसको हम बोलेंगे 345 मिलियन, यानी 345 मिलियन. रिपीट आफ्टर मी. 345 million.
345
345 million.
million.
And then we skip the zero part and jump to the jump to the numbers wala part, the numeric values. 543. So this is 345, yani 345 million 543.
543.
Now,
In
Mayank, have you understood, beta? Tell me this number in the international, according to the international system of counting. How will you say this number? Chalo, tell me.
345,543.
Very good. Now, is it clear to everyone? सबको सब समझ आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And very similar number like this, 0 वाले में आपको confusion होगी. So, I am giving you a very similar number to clear out your confusions. Okay. We have this number, 2002, 2002. Okay. Now, who will tell me according to the Indian system?
Miss,
Yes, Aaron, tell.
2 crore 7,000.
Miss 2 crore 22,002.
2 crores 22,002. Very good, very good. Excellent. Okay, now who will tell me according to the international system or the American system?
Ma'am, 20 million 22,002.
Very good. 20 million 22,002. Mayank, ये वाला समझ आया बेटा? Unmute and answer me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now say this according to the international system. इसको according to the international system बताओ मुझे.
20,022,002.
20 million 22,002. So now number names वाला part clear हो गया, चाहे वो Indian हो चाहे American हो, सबको clear हो गया ना? Everyone, is it clear for everyone? बेटा answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you want to do more questions? बाकी जो questions बचे हैं
Yeah, ma'am.
बेटा, I want कि बाकी जो questions बचे हैं, you all do it by yourself so that you have a practice also. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now I'm writing some number names and you have to write that according to the, sorry, you have to write that in the numerals form. Write the numerals, पढ़ा है ना बचपन में? Okay, so we have one crore, 1 lakh, 1,000 and 1010. ओके, अब इसको हमें अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंडियन सिस्टम पहले हम लिखेंगे. फर्स्टली अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंडियन सिस्टम लिखेंगे. And then according to the international system or the American system. ओके, now who will tell me इसको नंबर्स में जब लिखेंगे यानी न्यूमरल्स फॉर्म में जब लिखेंगे तो वो कैसे लिखेंगे. now who will tell me. 1 crore, 1 lakh, 1010. Yes, who will tell me how to write Indian system में numbers में इसको कैसे लिखेंगे with the placement of commas. Abdul Majid, you tell me बेटा.
1
Okay, 1
0
0
1
1.
Ma'am.
Okay,
0
0
1
1
1
1
0.
0. This is according to the Indian system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. ये तो आपने लिख दिया 10 lakh, 10,000, 110. This is completely wrong. This is completely wrong, Abdul. Now who will tell me the right version? ये तो हो गया 10 lakhs, 10,000, 110. This is wrong. I want 1 crore, 1 lakh, 1,010.
Ma'am, 1010.
Okay, who is telling me? Now tell.
1010 1010.
This? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So this is 1 crore, 1 lakh, 1,010. Very good. Who told me this? Who told me this?
Ma'am, Abdul Majid.
Acha, Abdul Majid, you firstly did it wrong and then you answered correctly. Very good. Very good. Okay, अब international system में how we have to write? Who will tell me how to write in the international system? इंडियन सिस्टम में तो हमने लिखा 10 10. Okay, Arohi, are you understanding, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
You understood how we did this?
In my device, there
Yes.
was a problem, so it's automatically restart.
Okay, so you were not able to listen to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in Indian system, we will write this as 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 3 times, sorry, 4 times 10. How? See, 1 crores, 1 lakh, 1,010. ऐसे लिखेंगे. Now if you do this, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs and crores. तो crores के प्लेस में 1 आएगा, then lakhs के प्लेस पे 1 आएगा, then 1,000 and then 1 and then 10. So it is clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me according to the American system, how we will write according to the American system. 1 crore नहीं होगा and 1 lakh
Ma'am,
भी नहीं.
American system में मैम करोड़ होता है.
No, नहीं होता ना. That only I am asking. कि tell me how will we first convert this into American system?
10101110.
अच्छा, firstly let's do all of that for the Indian system and then मैं American system में आपको बताऊंगी कैसे लिखते हैं. This is the second one, right? So it is 10 crore 20 lakh 30,000 40. Who is going to tell me? How will I write? Tell me quickly. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Answer me.
मैम 10
10, okay.
मैम 10203040.
30040. Okay, now tell me the
Yes, ma'am.
placement of the commas. Where will I place the commas?
मैम
Miss,
Yes?
मैम
One by one.
Ma'am.
Answer one by one. Now, Majid, please mute yourself, child.
miss,
मैम 4 के बाद लगेगा.
Beta, I cannot listen to everyone at once. Mute yourself, Abdul Majid. Yes, Mayank, you tell me कहाँ placement of commas लगेंगे.
मैम 10 के बाद 20 के बाद 30 के बाद
10 के बाद 20 के बाद 30 के बाद. Very good. So this will be 10 crores 20 lakhs 30,000 40. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, can I tell the next?
Okay, we will do one more and उसके बाद हम लोग comparing में पहुंचेंगे क्योंकि I have to teach you rounding off also, exact and approximate values also.
Ma'am, can I tell the second one?
Second one has already been told, beta. We have already done that. Nabia, you tell me now this, okay? नाइन बिलियन 80 मिलियन 700,000 600. अब इसको इंडियन सिस्टम में लिखना है. हाउ विल वी राइट दिस इन इंडियन सिस्टम? We have to convert this in Indian system. Think of and convert. इंडियन सिस्टम के नंबरिक वैल्यूज में लिखना है. सो सबसे पहले डू वन थिंग. इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में ही इसको नंबर वैल्यू में लिखो, इसको न्यूमरल्स वैल्यू में करो. तो डू इट इन द न्यूमरल वैल्यू. टेल मी हाउ विल वी डू इट. 9 billion 80 million 700,000 600.
4080.
4080. This is 9 billion.
90.
Beta, this is 9 billion 80 million.
मैम 9080.
9080. Yes.
700.
70
00.
00 and
600.
600. Very good. Look. इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में पहले कॉमास लगाओ. हाउ विल यू पुट इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में कॉमास? वेयर वी हैव टू पुट?
मैम 9.
9
मैम 8. मैम 0 0 0
0
0.
0 and then, ठीक है. So this is 9 billion 80 million 700,000 700,000 and 600. So ये इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में है. But now we have to convert this only in Indian system. अब कॉमास हमारे चेंज होंगे इंडियन सिस्टम में. So how, where will I place the commas? Who will tell me? Nabiha, you tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Where will I put the commas
Ma'am,
according to the Indian system? Quickly tell me. It is 49 only. हाँ चलिए.
मैम
ma'am, ma'am, after 600, then 0 0, comma 70, comma 80, comma.
Good. अच्छा, now tell me the number name. इसको नेमिंग कैसे करेंगे इसकी? ये 9
9
बिलियन ही
अरब.
कहलाएगा.
9 अरब,
9 Arabs,
8 crore,
8 crores,
7 lakh,
7 lakhs,
600.
600. तो अब आपको समझ आ गया how you have to convert. आप numbers तो same लिखोगे, but you will put the placement of the commas will be different, and then आपको बहुत easily आप लिख लोगे. So we will write it as 9 Arabs or 900 crores. 9 Arabs लिख सकते हैं और 900 crores भी लिख सकते हैं, right? So we will write 9 Arabs,
8 crore.
80 crores, 80 crores or 8 crores?
8 crore,
8 crores, yes.
7 lakh
7 lakh, 600.
600.
7
7 lakh 600.
lakh 600. So is it clear to everyone? सबको समझ आया है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now quickly we will move on to the comparing वाला part, and then we will move on to exact and approximate values. Now will you all be able to do all these types of questions? अगर ये questions आते हैं, now you can do it easily, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Compare and write. Okay, I'm writing two numbers. $640 crore and 60 billion. Now let's see किसको समझ आया. This is an international system. This is an Indian system. Convert करना है. We have to convert this and do. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Only 1 minute. Only 1 minute, and you have to tell me quickly.
Ma'am, equals to. Miss, they both are same.
They both are same. Very good. They are both same in the international and the Indian system, which means उनकी values same होगी. अगर हम 640 crore एक जगह लें और एक जगह 60 billion, like if we take 640 crore people at one place and 60 billion people at one place, they both will be equal. Okay? लेट्स चेक. आप लोगों ने तो बताया कि ये इक्वल है. चलो अब चेक करते हैं हाउ कम इट इज इक्वल. सो इन इंडियन सिस्टम 640 करोड़ को कैसे लिखेंगे? 640. This is how we will write in the Indian system, right? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. No, not like this. Yeah, now is it correct? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, 100 crores. And here how will we write? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, ones,
Mom,
10.
640 crores is bigger than 60 billion.
हाँ, so firstly let's check ना, and then we will say. अभी तक तो equal आ रहा था. I was asking that only कि अगर हम 640 करोड़ पीपल को एक जगह लें और 60 बिलियन लोगों को एक जगह लें तो क्या वो इक्वल आएगा? Let's check ना. You all were saying that it is equal. Let's check how. 60 billion, how we will write? 60 billion. First of all, it is 60 and 640. How come it can be equal? There is no possibility that 640 and 60 can be equal. Then also let's check. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Sorry, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, and 10 billion. So this is 60 billion. So now check, is it equal?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Is it
60.
equal?
Mom, 640 crores is bigger than 60 billion. No?
How come no? Again, you all are wrong. 640 crore
Ma'am,
is
6 billion is bigger. 60
60.
billion.
60
Ma'am,
billion
60 billion is bigger.
60 billion is bigger than or greater than 640 crores. See, count the number of zeros. इसका एक difficult method होता है about multiplying or converting, but I'm telling you the easy method. Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. See, number of digits से ही simply पता चल गया. अब एक और चीज कर सकते हैं कि इसको हम इंडियन सिस्टम की तरह पढ़ें पहले तो. सो ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores and Arabs. तो ये 60 Arabs हो गया. ये तो Arabs में चला गया. ये तो बहुत बड़ा हो गया. 60 Arabs. No, ones, tens, 100,000, 1,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, 100 crores and 100 crores and 10 Arabs. इसको बोलेंगे 60 Arabs. तो ये तो काफी बड़ा हो गया ना. सो 60 billion is greater than 640 crore. तो अब समझ आया. Firstly, count the number of digits. और अगर उससे भी नहीं आ रहा है, so what you can do it is you can convert this part into the Indian system. इसको Indian system में convert कर दो and then see. ठीक है? Is it clear? We will do one more question. We have 3 more minutes. We can do one more question. And I will teach you this tomorrow even more clearly. मैं और अच्छे से समझाऊंगी ताकि there is no scope for mistakes in this. Now tell me, 800,
Ma'am, 8 million. Ma'am, 8 million.
what is
Ma'am,
it?
8 is bigger.
8 million is greater than, very good, 8 million is greater than 800,000. For those who have not understood, we will be doing the same exercise tomorrow and I will explain you very nicely so that there is no scope for mistakes. Okay? For today, we are, that's it for the class. And
आपको क्लास कैसी लगी बेटा, जितने भी लोग हैं?
जी सर.
अच्छी
The
लगी
class
क्लास?
is good.
सर.
कितने लोग ऐसे हैं जिनका फर्स्ट डे है? मयंक?
So me, Arohi.
अच्छा, आरोही आपका फर्स्ट डे, और किसका है? मयंक, मयंक का कैमरा ऑफ था क्या? मयंक आपका फर्स्ट डे या आ चुके कल?
सर फर्स्ट डे।
अच्छा, तो क्लास आपको अच्छी लगी?
यस सर।
अच्छा, चलिए, बाकी सब लोग को तो अच्छी लगी होगी, तभी आप आज आप लोग आए हैं। और कल हम लोग शायद दूसरा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ेंगे ना, साइंस या मैथ्स?
सर
अच्छा, चलिए ठीक है, अभी आप लोग का ट्रायल ले लीजिए, और अगर अच्छा लग रहा हो तो एनरोल करना होगा तो हमें मैसेज कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
और कोई ऐसा कोई सजेशन देना चाहता है? किसी को कोई कमी लग रही हो? हम्म? नहीं? अब्दुल माजिद, आप कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं?
नो सर।
अच्छा, चलिए चलिए ठीक है, कल भी सेम मैसेज में जो लिंक आपको शेयर किया गया है उसी सेम लिंक से ही क्लास ओपन होगी डेली। तो आप लोग वहां से डेली क्लास ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
चलिए ठीक है,
ओके
बाय।
सर।
आप लोग लीव कर सकते हैं। इब्राहिम अभी क्लास इसमें है ना? इब्राहिम बेटा, कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए आप अपना। विदाउट कैमरा अलाउड नहीं है। कल आया था ये? अच्छा। ने- सभी लोग अपना कैमरा ऑन करिए। इब्राहिम, निर्मल, आरोही, तीनों लोग अपना कैमरा ऑन करिए, विदाउट कैमरा अलाउड नहीं है। ये नव्या- नव्या, आप फिर से आ गई नाम चेंज करके, ऐसा क्यों? आवाज नहीं आ रही, अनम्यूट करके बोलिए बेटा।
सर, आई एम द सिस्टर ऑफ रोहित शर्मा एंड पुलकित सर।
तो आप नव्या के नाम से फिर से क्यों आ गई? आवाज आपकी नहीं आ रही बेटा, अनम्यूट करके बोलिए।
सर, क्लास सिक्स इज डिफरेंट। क्लास सिक्स नो।
आपके पेरेंट्स हैं आपके पास बगल में?
नो सर।
बगल में कोई तो है बेटा।
सर, सिस्टर है।
अच्छा, बात कराइए, उनको सामने लाइए। ये
हाँ जी।
गुड इवनिंग मैम।
हम थ्री सिबलिंग साथ में ही है। हमने क्लास आज हमारा फर्स्ट डे है तीनों का।
अच्छा, तो ये नव्या किसका नाम है?
नव्या इनका नाम है, मेरा नाम आरोही है।
अच्छा, लेकिन आप
गुड
तो क्लास में थी नहीं, सेवेंथ क्लास में।
व्हाट्स अप?
सेवेंथ क्लास में आप ही थी?
यस सर, सेवेंथ में मैं हूँ, ये सिक्स्थ में है, और एक और हमारा बड़ा भाई है, उसका नाम पुलकित है, वो एट्थ में है।
अच्छा, कोई फिफ्थ फिफ्थ में भी कोई है क्या बेटा?
नहीं, कोई फिफ्थ में तो नहीं है।
अच्छा, क्लास एट में है, सेवेंथ में है, सिक्स्थ में है?
यस सर।
अच्छा, तीनों भाई बहन है।
यस सर।
अच्छा, हम लोग को वेरीफाई इसलिए करना पड़ रहा है ना बेटा, क्योंकि कुछ इंस्टीट्यूट भी हैं जो देखते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है, तो लोगों की नज़र होती है, इसलिए वेरीफाई करना जरूरी है कि स्टूडेंट्स हैं या कोई स्कैमर तो नहीं है।
ओके सर।
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, आप लोग पढ़ाई करिए, और आप लोग ट्रायल ले सकते हैं। और नवी, आपको भी यही बता दे रहे हैं कि आप लोग जो भी डाउट होगा, जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछना होगा, आप पूछ सकते हैं मैम से, कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा तो आप पूछ सकते हैं बेटा, ठीक है? निर्मल, आपका सेकेंड डे है ना बेटा?
यस सर।
कल क्लास आपको अच्छी लगी थी?
हाँ सर।
अच्छा, लेनोवो बेटा, आपका क्या नाम है?
मैम अयन सर।
प्रियंश?
अयन।
आयान?
अयन। यस मैम। यस
अच्छा,
सर।
अच्छा, अयान। अयान बेटा, आप कौन से स्टेट से हैं? साउथ?
Andhra Pradesh.
आंध्र प्रदेश। तो आप इंग्लिश में
Yes.
कंफर्टेबल रहेंगे और यू आर कंफर्टेबल इन हिंदी?
English.
अच्छा, ठीक है, टीचर से बोल दे रहे हैं कि शी हैज टू टीच इन इंग्लिश। everybody is comfortable in English language, or you want teacher to use in Hindi also? Nirmal, Navya? You want Hindi also, or you are comfortable in English?
No, sir, I am comfortable.
अच्छा, everybody is
Sir,
comfortable.
I am comfortable in English.
Okay, let's start. ठीक है,